everyone, I've just jumped on to do a quick video today. It's a Saturday and we've been shopping, and I've left my husband to put all the food away, so I thought I had this project in mind for a while, and I just wanted to show you quickly. This is, I really, apart from all the crafting, art and craft stuff that I do, I really enjoy reusing things, finding ways to use things which we have lying around, and making things that I want from the scraps and things that I have lying around. I'm going to post a lot of projects under this playlist. Some of them are going to come back, are going to be rejigged from my website that I had 15 years ago or so, because they were nice ideas, and I think they deserve a rerun. But today I just wanted to show you, this has been sitting around for a while. I had made this folder, and literally, if you've ever bought bedding, that sort of thing, you'll recognize this. If you buy sheets, that sort of thing, you get this kind of bit of cardboard which has got the folds exactly where you want them, and I thought that would be perfect for a folder for something like an A4 landscape things, I suppose. So I'd had this around a while, as I say, and I had covered it with the good old textured wallpaper. It's got some marks on it, but I'm going to paint this and then sort of add some sort of perhaps some distress sprays as well, but I don't want to use distress sprays over the whole thing, because that would be quite costly, so I'll probably paint it first. As regards what I'm going to put inside this is going to be my Resist Techniques folder, because I don't always, when I demonstrate the technique, want to create a project like a card, a gift tag, or even a little sort of artist trading card or anything like that. I just want to keep examples of what I've done and something that I can refer to again. So this is what this is going to be. In terms of actually securing my card or paper in there, I've sort of scavenged this from an A4 folder. People are always getting rid of them because they get quite tatty, and very often if you you can pick them up on somewhere like Freegal, which is a local, actually I think it's national here, site where people are just getting rid of stuff in their cupboards. So if you don't want the A4 folders, grab them anyway, because you can take these pieces out of them and reuse them. So I'm probably going to glue this in here. I think given the sort of type of clip that it is, it may need a sort of strong glue like an epoxy resin, but I'm not sure yet. But I've also got these rivets as well to use, and that will hold it in place hopefully. And then I will cover the insides. I've got some scrapbook paper. I'm probably going to cover the inside, make it a bit nicer. Then I'm going to put my black card in there in landscape and use that as a sort of display book. I actually quite like this so much, I'll probably make a few of these if I can get my hands on some more of this card, because it's a nice strong card. I've actually just seen a box inside which would work too, because I'm thinking it might actually be a nice display for, some of these, depending on how thick they are. So yeah, but my initial thoughts were to create something really to display, and I think I showed some of these the other day, scraps of various techniques that we've used to create different resists. So it's going to be a resist display book, but I think I could probably make quite a few of these books and display all sorts of things as a reference for me and to show others if necessary. Okay, so that was that. I will decorate this a bit more, and then I'll come back and do a finish to this video showing what I've done. Okay, thanks for now. Bye.